Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mwale here. If you're new here, please join the family by subscribing on the red button down below. And if you're an oldie, hey girl, what's up? How you doing? Alright, so okay, today's video is all about jeans. Like, if you have noticed, I've kind of gained like a size. I was a size 10. I was a size 10, okay. I was a size 10 on the stretchy stuff, and I always wear stretchy stuff. Oh my god, stretchy stuff. I always wear stretchy stuff, but now I'm like a proper size 12 stretchy stuff. And yeah, so I literally don't have any more jeans that I had this store. So I went out to literally look for jeans, specifically high-waisted jeans, because I prefer like high-waisted. You're gonna see when I wear the other jeans that are not high-waisted that I got why I love high-waisted jeans. Alright, so I kept asking my friends where I can find jeans, and they had no idea. So I had to like literally go into town and find jeans. Okay, so the first place that I went, I went to, alright, let me just pick up from there. Okay, so I went on Facebook and I found this other lady. I'm gonna put her phone number down below, and she was selling these jeans for like $10 US. $15 bond and $20 ecocash. Right, so the first pairs of jeans that I got are these high-waisted. They're size 28. Can you believe it? They're so stretchy that I'm getting into a size 28. Okay, so this is like what they kind of look like. They're gray and got shades of white, and they are a bit what do you call this thing? I don't know. I'll think about it and then I'll remember. Yeah, and the bottom is also kind of, I keep forgetting the word. Distressed, exactly. They're kind of distressed. Alright, so I'm gonna show you whilst I'm like setting up how the jeans look like. So okay, so this is the first pair of jeans. Just show you what it looks like. So yeah, I really love this. Look at the high-waistedness, and my stomach is a bit inside, which looks nice. And also the bottom. So this is what they look like. I love that they're a bit like ankle. Yeah, they're quite cute. So the next pair of jeans that I got from the same person is, they're almost similar to the one that I got, but these ones are in blue. Alright, they're in blue and they're distressed in the middle, and they also have a distressed bottom. So I love skinny jeans. I love skinny jeans, and I want them to be like straight up high-waisted. And also I do not like a trumpet jeans. You know how when you buy like high-waisted jeans, and then at the bottom it goes like wee? Like, what's this? I want this. Get what I mean? Yeah, so these are the blue jeans. This is weird though. What the other jeans look like. They're so perfect. I love this. There's no trumpet, no crouch area, just purely perfect jeans. So yeah. So okay, so the next place that I went to find jeans was in town. I went to Kameno. Kameno it's in Kwame Street. Alright, I just went into Kameno and just like started asking people like where I can get jeans, and I got directed to this other girl. So yeah, the first pair of jeans that I got are this, I don't know, this blue. Yeah, it's like a light shade of blue, and they're all plain, and the bottom is a very nice non-trumpet like bottom. It's cool. I got this in a size 28. It's super stretchy as well. These are the Kameno jeans. They're a bit too high-waisted, but I can work with this. Yeah, they're perfect. They stitch my stomach. This is weird. Like, why would someone have like a white area on their bum? That's weird. It's weird, hey? Yes. So I really love the super stretchy jeans because when you're bigger, they can like expand and be bigger, and then when you get smaller, you can just wash them and then they're back to normal. So it kind of works well for a person like me, because my weight literally fluctuates. I'm hoping to go into the gym and work on that bum. So the next pair of jeans are also distressed jeans. These are black in color, and yeah, they're nice distressed jeans. They're high-waisted. They're size 32. Yeah, these are just basic. Not my favorite, because I think I should have gone for a size 30, because they fit well, but then they also make this little, what do you call this bottom part kind of like, it's weird, I don't know how to explain it, but no saraya panty, so I don't know if you get what I mean. Please don't mind tail at the background. So that the pair of jeans, these ones are a bit too big for me. I know they kind of fit perfectly, but they're a little too big, because every time I walk they like ride down a bit and I have to like put them up, which is so bad. They're not so skinny down here, like there's a bit of some fabric here, so I should have gotten a size 32 on this one, but I can work with these. Alright. Okay, so if you hear my son talking in the background, he's outside trying to play. I hope it works out. Alright, so the next place that I went to get jeans was Zara. You know what? Every time I get into Zara, they always have like nice skinny jeans, but I can't get my size, because they're always left with like the tiny small ones, the size 27s, 26, the size 0s and stuff like that. And if it's a bigger size, then rest assured it's a very big size. So the moment I got these jeans, I was so excited. I literally just bought them straight up with no buttons, so I had to like put one. But these are my favorite jeans. Yeah, I love this. They're a bit distressed right here, like just a little line at the bottom. Yeah, like this one and the other one part here. The nice part about these jeans is its legs. Look at this. This is nice. This is some nice design and stuff like that, and also it's not trumpety, like it's not nice. So I think on all the jeans that I got, these are my favorite, because the material is so thick, and that means it will last for like a while. Because the jeans that are super stretchy and got thin material, they look so nice and stuff like that, but for a person who's as thick as I am, who've got tender thighs, this, I'll end up with no jeans in the middle. So yeah, so these are my favorite jeans. These are the ones from Zara. They fit so perfectly, although they're not high-waisted. Like I can really feel like I'm getting a bit of some muffin top and stuff, but these are just so perfect. I love this. You can really see the bottoms. They're so perfect. They're so perfect. Alright, so the next pair of jeans, these were gifted to me from Divalicious. If you saw it on my Instagram, you saw it. These got pearls all over. Oh god, I love these jeans. They're not that high-waisted. They're just like a bit like mid-rise, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Oh, I love these jeans. They're amazing. These are the other ones with the pearls. I love the pearls. I love everything about these jeans, although I just wish they were a bit high-waisted. Like, my tummy. My tummy is getting so big. But yeah, these are awesome. Alright, so the other place that I went to buy jeans was Thrift. I went thrifting, and I actually got this at what's the place? Okay, at Kameno. When I went to Kameno, outside Kameno, there's usually a guy who has like clothes on the hangers and stuff like that, and he had jeans that day, and they also had blazers and blah blah blah, whatever stuff that they had, and they were going for $6 each. And when you're paying with cash and you're paying with ecocash, it was $7. And of course, I paid with ecocash. Who has money? Alright, so the first pair of jeans is this one. I don't know why I bought these jeans. I don't know why I even touched them. Okay, I know why, but look at this. Like, who's got such a small area here? Like, God, it's so flipping crazy. Oh God, it gives me such a mutton top, and I hate it so much. But if I wear it with something that's big and that's like covered all over, it looks nice because the bottoms are really nice and it's got like a nice thick material that's stretchy. So I guess that's why I picked them up. But this top part is, who's got such a small ass like that? Like, low-rise jeans are so out of style. I don't know why I got this. Wow. I don't know what I was thinking. Look at this. Everything is on show. Oh my God, these are the worst jeans ever. These are straight up the worst jeans ever. And look at that trumpet. You see this? This little doesn't work, so I have to like tie them up a bit better. But this whole area, like, who has a small, it's not working. Wow. Alright, so the next pair of jeans that I got, I hate these jeans. I can't fit perfectly. They are tied a little bit small. So yeah, they're skinnies, they've got thick material, and they're stretchy. Look at them. They're so nice, and it's not high-waisted. I think that's why I can't fit perfectly, because my body type, I've got thunder thighs, I've got a bum, not so big, but a bum, it's there. And my waist is kind of small, although these days I'm getting a little belly because like I'm eating sadza, and yeah, so when I get high-waisted jeans, they fit perfectly because they literally just put the stomach back in, and then they fit perfectly on my small waist. So yeah, this is another fail, straight up fail. Like, squished my tummy up. I'm sure if they were like a bit high-waisted, they would have worked. But oh man, it was even a hassle to get inside these jeans. Like, okay, they don't work. The bottom looks, I love the bottom. Oopsie. I love the bottom. They should have been high-waisted. Whew. They should have been high-waisted. Oh, shame. Oof. No, it's not happening. Alright, so the last pair of jeans that I got from Thrift, $7, are these jeans. And these are high-waisted. From all the thrifted jeans that I got, these are my favorite. They're just a plain blue, and I believe they're Old Navy. They're Old Navy jeans, and we all know Old Navy has like awesome jeans. So yeah, they're super skinny. They're just like a blue color. Ah, I love these jeans. They're just like plain and lovely. I love them. Okay, so these are the Old Navy jeans that I thrifted. I love these. These are perfect, and they're high-waisted. No muffin top. Nothing. It's just amazing and so nice. Alright, so this is what they look like at the bottom. They're perfect. So I love them so much. So yeah, perfect jeans. Okay, so the worst part of jeans that I had to buy are the thrifted jeans. I didn't try them out when I was there because I didn't feel comfortable in like literally pulling something up whilst I'm in the streets. No, that's not me. So I just decided to like look at them, search them, and do whatever stuff that I tried to do, and that didn't work out fine. So next time when I go thrifting, I've got a new trick that someone taught me. Let me show you. So if you want to see if you can fit thrifted jeans, you just have to put your hand put your hand in a fist and then put it inside the waist. Okay, like this. If it fits, then it will fit you. So yeah, next time I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna buy. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to know more about where I got the jeans, you can just like click on the show more down below and see all the information about the jeans and phone numbers and whatever stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much. And if you're a person like me who loves jeans, who loves high-waisted jeans, I suggest you get into town and you get on Facebook. And if you're like one of those thick mamas, if you get on Facebook, this girl, I'm telling you, will find jeans for you. My mom got jeans, like, and my mom is like a size UK 26, 28 thing, and she got like perfect jeans. She's so happy about it. So anyway, thank you guys so much, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. So thank you so much. Bye. Okay, and do tell me which one is your favorite jeans. Yeah. Bye.